मङ्गलाचरणं कुर्मः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। गतकक्षायां in previous classes we have seen some lakars, lat lakar, lot lakar and lang lakar. So we'll practice a little bit, then we will move to next lakara, which is vidhiling lakara. So I would like to listen few sentences in each lakara, lat lakar, lot lakar and lang lakar. So please make few sentences instantly.
वदामि वा?
हाँ वदतु।
लट् लकार रामः वनं गच्छति।
हाँ तस्यैव यदि भूतकालः कर्तव्यः चेत् कथं?
रामः वनं अगच्छत्।
अगच्छत् समीचीनम्। लोट् लकारे तस्य रूपं?
रामः वनं गच्छति।
रामः वनं गच्छतु समीचीनम्। अन्यापि वदन्तु। हाँ समर्थः वद।
in lat lakar रामः नहीं रमेशः फलं खादति।
रमेशः फलं खादति।
लङ् लकार रमेशः फलं अखादत्।
फलं अखादत् समीचीनं।
लोट् लकार रमेशः फलं खादतु।
रमेशः फलं खादतु समीचीनं। हाँ अन्ये?
सर मे आई?
यस प्लीज।
बालकः पुस्तकं पठति।
बालकः पुस्तकं पठति समीचीनं।
माता मन्दिरे आर्चत्।
हाँ आर्चत् एक्चुअली अर्चति अर्चयति इति उभयथा वर्तते। आर्चत् इति पास्ट टेन्स लङ् लकारः समीचीनं।
हाँ लङ् लकार। सर्वे शब्दं न कुर्वन्तु।
हाँ कोलाहलं वक्तव्यं वा?
हाँ बालकौ खेलयित्वा हसताम्।
पुनः एकवारं।
बालकौ खेलयित्वा हसताम्।
खेलित्वा इति वक्तव्यं। खेलित्वा
खेलित्वा
क्रीडित्वा खेलित्वा।
आवां संस्कृतेन सम्भाषयाव।
भाषयावः सम्भाषयावः समीचीनं।
थैंक यू धन्यवाद।
भाषयावहे इति भाषधातु आत्मनेपदिनः धातुः, तस्य उपयोगः आत्मनेपदी भविष्यति।
धन्यवाद।
आम् अन्ये?
अहं वदामि वा?
हाँ राम
रमाबाला।
हाँ क्षम्यतां रमाबाला।
वानरः कदलीफलं खादति। लट् लकाररूपं। सैनिकः उसी वाक्य को करूँ क्या?
यू कैन कंटिन्यू व्हाट एवर यू वांट।
सैनिकः देशम् अरक्षत्।
अरक्षत्
भूतकाल लङ् लकाररूपं। लोट् लकारः एषः गायतु।
एषः गायतु समीचीनं।
लेट् दिस् पर्सन् सिङ्ग्।
यस्। हाँ अन्ये? श्यामला जी।
धन्यवादः।
रामः गृहं गच्छति लट् लकार। रामः गृहम् आगच्छत्। रामः वनं गच्छतु।
रामः गृहं।
अच्छा आम् गृहं।
हाँ रामः गृहं। व्हाट डिड यू से इन पास्ट?
आगच्छत्।
आगच्छत्
आगच्छतु आगच्छतु
Nice. Anybody else?
गुरुः गुरुः प्रश्नं पृच्छति
हाँ, लट लकार.
त्वं नगरं गच्छ
त्वम नगरम गच्छ. लोट लकार. Past tense now.
रामः कन्दुकेन अक्रीडत्
Akridat. Samichinam. And now decline the kriya pada in lot lakar as well as in lang lakar. So who will start with lang lakar? Samarthah. Take a tudati. Tudati means to inflict pain, right? So atudat,
atudatam, atudan, atudatam,
atudata,
atudata,
hmm,
atudatani.
atudam,
Okay, sorry, I
lang
confused.
lakar. Yeah.
Atudam, atudatama,
No, no.
atudava,
Atudava,
atudava, atudama. Okay.
correct. Lot lakar,
Lotlakara, I didn't study. I was absent that time, so I
okay,
was
no problem.
eat today.
Okay. Tudatu, अन्ये वक्तुं शक्नुवन्ति. कः वदति?
Sir,
अहं
may I?
वदामि महोदय
हाँ, one by one. Kashmiraji, then I will ask one by one. Right? जी.
तुदतु तुदतां तुदन्तु तुद तुदतं तुदत तुदं तुदाव तुदाम
Mm,
No.
little bit. Yeah.
Ani.
Tudani.
तुदाव
Right?
तुदाम
Tudani, Tudava, Tudama. Take another dhatu. Someone else now. Hiralji.
Pata.
हाँ, पट्ठ धातु you can
Okay.
take. Yes.
Patathu or patat.
Okay.
The patatham
Hmm.
and patantu.
Hmm.
And then pata, patata,
Hmm. Okay.
and then patatam,
Hmm.
patatha,
Pathatha.
patata. Then patani,
Hmm.
patava, patama.
Pathava, Pathama. Right?
Patava.
Hiralji.
And one more, I just want to ask, what is the English word parasmay pada? What do we say in English?
No, that is just a name. So
No,
we can.
what is it actually? Lat and all understood is present tense and lot it is the imperative mode. That I've understood. Atmanepada and Parasmepada, how to find out also, like it is.
It's actually very simple. Whenever you find a pratyaya like a ti, taha, anti, si, tha, tha, mi, was, mas, right?
Yes.
So those all dhatus belongs
Yeah.
to parasmay pada. That is
Yes.
the one method to
Yes. Yes.
identify.
Yes.
And atmanepada there will be te, ite, ante, se, ite, the, dve. That way atmanepada pratyaya will be there.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes. But
looking
actually,
at
the
the
root itself, how do we know that root it belongs to Parasmepada or Atmanepada Dhatu itself? No, I'm
there
just
is a separate book dhatu patha. If you want to refer all the if you want to know more about roots, you can buy that book dhatu rupa dhatu patha. Actually it is written by Maharshi Panini. Okay.
Because only when you find the dhatu, then only we can go to Parasmepada, Atmanepada, right?
That is the one way. Otherwise through practice we can get it.
Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Yes. Ji,
Correct.
I was asking lang lakar. Hiralji.
विषदु महोदय
पठ धातु लंग लकार.
लङ्लकार अपठत् अपठताम् अपठन् अपठ अपठः अपठतम् अपठत अपठाम् sorry
अपठम.
अपठम् अपठाव अपठन्
Samichinam. Now let me ask some words. Ramah we have seen, Vanam we have, and Hari Shabda, right? So those who have memorized, please raise the hand. I will ask them.
Sir,
Ji, Kanishka, get our Kapi.
sir, I've memorized only Rama Shabda because like exams are going on.
Okay. Okay. You decline a word Lakshmanaha or
Lakshmanaha.
Krishnaha, whatever simple you feel.
Krishnaha, Krishnau, Krishnaha, Krishnam, Krishnau, Krishnan, Krishnena, Krishnabhyam, Krishnaihi,
Krishnaya.
Krishnaya, Krishnabhyam, Krishnebhyah, Krishnat, Krishnabhyam, Krishnebhyah, Krishnasya, Krishnayoho, Krishnanam, Krishne, Krishnayoho, Krishneshu, He Krishna, He Krishnau, He Krishnaha.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Then next Hari Shabda or Kapi Shabda. Anybody? हाँ या अमृता जी right?
अमरीशा
अमरीशा
महोदय।
क्षम्यतां हाँ
वदामि वा
वदतु
हरि हरि हरयः हरिं हरि हरीन् हरिणा
हरीन् that द्वितीय बहुवचन will be हलन्तन हरीन्
हरिं हरि हरिणा हरिभ्यां हरिभिः हरये हरिभ्यां हरिभ्य हरे हरि हरिभ्यां हरिभ्य
हरेः
हरेः हरेः हरिभ्यां हरिभ्य
हरे
हरेः
हाँ ओके क्षम्यतां कंटिन्यू
हरेः हरिभ्यां हरीणां हरयो हरौ हरयोः हरीषु हे हरे हे हरि हे हरयः
ओके नाइस वेरी नाइस हाँ जी रेणुका जी which word do you want to unmute yourself if you
Kavis.
हाँ
Okay, but I'm looking at the book, okay?
okay yes fine
Kavihi, Kavi, Kavyaha,
कवयः
Kavayaha, Kavayaha, Kavim, Kavi, Kavin, Kavina, Kavibhyam, Kavibihi, Kavaye, Kavibhyam, Kavibhyaha, Kavaye, Kavayehe, Kavehe, Kavehe,
कवेः
Harehe, yeah, Kavehe, Kavibhyam, Kavibhyaha, Kavehe, Kavyoho, Kavinam, Kavau, Kavyau, Kavishu.
हे कवि
हे कवि, हे कव, हे
हे
कव,
कवे हे कवे हे
कवे,
कवयः
कव्यः.
क्षम्यतां हे
Yeah.
again संबोधनम
Yeah, I didn't get it properly. He kavi,
हे हरे
uh,
in the
he hare he kave he.
right
Dirgha kavi.
fine now we'll move to next topic are you able to see the screen
Yes, Mahoday.
yes Diwali we
No,
have
we are not
seen,
able to
right
see.
then
No, we are not able to see.
it is becoming your video is
Now we can see.
Mohoday, this link is recurring link or daily you are giving new one?
hello my laptop got shut down Am I audible?
Am Mahoday.
Am.
Am.
Okay, just give me 1 minute. I will restart again. Okay, we'll just discuss lat lakar we have seen, right? Lat lakar is used for vartamana kala. Then we saw lot lakar. It is mainly used for what? When do we
Past
use
tense.
Past tense.
lot lakar?
Ajnartha.
Ajnartha. Correct, ajnartha. And lang lakar.
For past tense.
Past tense.
Past tense.
Correct. So now, in within a lot lakar, actually there are 6 pointers. When we can use lot lakar. There is a special sutra for vidhiling lakar as well as lot lakar. Give me a second. How it happened, I don't know. Sutra I can utter. Vidhi, nimantrana, आमंत्रण, अधिष्ट, संप्रश्न and प्रार्थना इति अर्थेषु. So विधि, निमंत्रणा, मंत्रणाधिष्ट, संप्रश्न, प्रार्थनेषु. Just a minute. Okay, are you able to see the screen?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move to next. We have seen lat lakar, lot lakar, and now we are moving towards next vidhiling lakara. Before that, I will introduce some dhatu's root, main roots, and kriya pada. So now we are going to see dashamaha ganaha, so which is known as churadi gana. Chura is main root or first root in this group. So chura, it changes into chora. It becomes chora plus aya vikrana will be added. Right? Aya. Now again, it is taking time today. Okay, aya vikarana you can add. So chura becomes chora plus aya, chorayati will be the form. It means to still, right? Chorayati. Next is kshal. Kshala, it becomes kshala. Kshala plus aya vikarana, it becomes kshalayati. Right? Huh. Next is tada. Tada means to beat, it becomes tada tadayati. Bhusha, bhushayati. Katha, kathayati. To tell, to say some story, etc. To describe stories. Gana ganayati means what? To count. Right? Bhusha ghoshayati. To proclaim or to make announcement. Right? Racha rachayati, it's simple. Puja pujayati, varna varnayati. Now, one by one, I will ask you to decline same dhatus in lat lakar, lot lakar, and लंग लकार, right? First, chorayati, lat lakar. Anyone can decline it. Hanji,
Yeah.
one by one.
कृष्णः नवनीतं चोरयति.
Now first decline the word chorayati, chorayatah. Then we will see
चोरयति
sentence.
चोरयति चोरयति
Tah.
चोरयतः चोरयन्ति
Chorayasi,
चोरयथ
Yathah.
चोरयथः चोरयत्
chorayatha. Right?
आम् चोरयामि चोरयाव चोरयाम
Chorayavah, chorayamah.
आम्
Nice. Next lakara is lot lakara. You can decline into akshara dhatu. You can decline into lot lakara. Someone else, please.
Can I?
Yes.
Which stare na? Which you say?
Kshalayatu. Lot.
Shalayatu, shalayatam, shalayata, shalayat, shalayani.
Ksalayantu.
Shalayantu, kshala,
Shalaya.
shalaya, shalayatam, shalayata, shalayama,
Shalayani.
shalayani, shalayava, shalayama.
Good. Next is tad dhatu. Atadayat lang lakar.
May I, Guruji?
Yes, Samarth.
Okay. Atadayat, atadayatam, atadayan, atadatam,
Again.
atadaya, sorry.
So up to Vikarana, you have to actually decline. So aya is Vikarana. Up to Yakara, you have to put like atadayat, atadayatam, atadayan, atadayah. That way. Okay.
Okay. Atadaya, atadayatam, atadayata, atadayama.
Atadayam.
Atadayam. Okay. Atadayam, atadayama, atadayava, atadayama.
Fine. Bhusha dhatu, lot lakar. Lot lakar. Lat is common. Yes, Renuka ji.
Bhushatu, correct?
Bhushayatu, correct.
Bhushayatu, bhushayatam, bhushayantu. Bhushaya, bhushaya, bhushayatam, bhushayata. Bhushayani, bhushayava, and bhushayama.
Correct. Now next is kathayat dhatu, akathayat. Lang lakar, bhutkal.
अहं वदामि वा?
Next I will ask Rama Balaji. Amrisha ji, you can.
महोदय
Lang lakar.
अकथयत् अकथयताम् अकथयन् अकथयः अकथयतम् अकथयत् अकथयम्
Madhyam purusha bahuvachanam.
अकथयत्
Akathayata. Otherwise there won't be any difference, right? Akathayat is starting with akathayat.
अकथयत अकथयम् अकथया अकथयाव अकथयाम.
Good. Ganayati dhatu, Ram Balaji. Lang lakar. Again.
लङ् लकार अगणयत् अगणयताम् अगणयन् अगणयः अगणयतम् अगणयत अगणयम् अगणयाव अगणयाम.
Correct. Next dhatu ghoshayati. Again lang lakar. We will decline in lang only. Who else?
May I?
Yes. Swati ji.
घोषयति न
Aghoshayat. Lang lakar.
अघोषयत् अघोषताम्
Aghoshayatam.
अघोषयताम् अघोषयन् अघोषयः अघोषयतम् अघोषयत
Aghoshayata. Correct.
अघोषयत अघोषयम् अघोषयाव अघोषयाम.
Correct. Next. Racha dhatu. Someone else.
अहं वदामि
Vadatu.
अरचयत् अरचयताम् अरचयन् अरचयः अरचयतम् अरचयत अरचयम् अरचयाव अरचयाम.
नेक्स्ट पूज धातु लंग लकार.
अपूजयत्
हम्म.
अपूजयताम् अपूजयन् अपूजयः अपूजयतम् अपूजयत अपूजयम्
अपूजयाव अपूजयाम.
पूजयाव अपूजयाम.
हाँ. नेक्स्ट इज वर्ण धातु. अगेन विल डिक्लाइन दैट. अवर्णयत अवर्णयताम अवर्णयन अवर्णयः अवर्णयतम अवर्णयत अवर्णयम अवर्णयाव अवर्णयाम. So within one shwasa, actually you should memorize. Whenever we start memorize Ram word, we were asked to memorize within one breath. Ramah Ramo Ramah Ramam Ramu Rama Ramina Ramabhyam Ramaihi Ramaya Ramabhyam Ramebhyah Ramat Ramabhyam Ramebhyah Ramasya Ramayoh Ramanam Rame Ramayoh Rameshu He Ram He Ramu He Rama. This way all the words you can decline. So if you practice, then you won't forget any vibhakti. If you ask me what is a Shashti vibhakti Bahuvachana, I will say Ramanam. So that way try to memorize if you can, right? Okay, so now we are going to learn new lakara, that is vidhiling lakara, right? So vidhiling pratyas are it, itam, iyuhu, ihi, itam, ita, then iyam, iva, ima. Now if you have studied Sandhi Prakarana, you will understand how sandhis are going to happen here in between. Let's take a dhatu, bhu dhatu. It changes into bhava, right? Bhu changes into bhava. Bhava plus it becomes gunadesha, and bhavet it will happen. A plus e changes into a, right? We have seen, those who have seen Sandhi Prakarana, they will understand. Bhavet, then bhavetam, bhaveyuhu, bhavehe, भवेतम भवेत भवेयम भवेव भवेम. So in the same way you can decline all the dhatus. So we will take another dhatu which belongs to divadigan, fourth gan, right? Let's take diva dhatu. It will become divet, then divet,
दिव्येतां दिव्येयुः दिव्येः
one by one
दिवे
I will ask. Yeah, Vaishalji, continue.
दिवेत दिवेताम दिवेयुः दिवेः दिवेतम दिवेत दिवेयम
दिवेत.
दिवेत दिवेयम दिवेव दिवेम.
Correct. Now sixth gana, tudadi gana, will take to the dhatu. Someone else. Who is Hiralji? Those who want to decline, please raise your hand so I can ask one by one, right? Otherwise, mute yourself and practice. Those who don't want to speak, right? Okay. To the dhatu. Kanishka, you can decline. She is mute.
Yes, sir. Tudita,
Tudet, tudetam,
tudet, tudetam, tudeyuhu, tudehe, tudetam, tudet,
tudeta.
tudeyam, tudeta,
Purnam, right?
tudeyam,
Tudeva,
tudeyava,
tudema,
tudev,
tudeva, tudema, right? Then now dashama gana, right? Now take any dhatu from this gana. So those who want to practice it, let's practice right now. Take any dhatu, pick up one dhatu from Churadiga.
वदामि महोदय.
Vadatu.
चूर् धातु
Hmm.
चोरयेत् चोरयेतां चोरयेयुः चोरयेः चोरयेतं चोरयेत चोरयेन्
Chorayeyam.
चोरयेव चोरयेयं चोरयेव चोरयेव.
Correct. Someone else can practice, then we will move to sentences.
May I, Guruji?
Yes.
Okay. Rach dhatu रचेत रचेतां रचेयुः रचेः रचेतं रचेत रचेयम्.
Ayavikarana you have to use. Rachayet.
Okay, sorry. रचयेत रचयेतां रचयुः
Rachayeyuhu.
रचयेयुः रचयेः रचयेतं रचयेत रचयेयं रचयेव रचयेम.
Good. Okay. Okay. Now let's move to next. What is next? So this vidhiling and lot lakara is used with these meanings. So there is a sutra in Panini Maharshi has written Vidhi Nimantrana, Amantrana, Adishta, Samprashna, Prarthaneshu. What does Vidhi mean? So we'll see one by one. Are you able to see the screen, right?
Yes.
Okay. I hope you understand little bit Sanskrit. Vidhi means if you want to prompt someone for some work. So prompting someone is called Vidhi. For example, Shvaha, tomorrow, Bhavati Rangamanche Samyak Nrittet. Oh, sorry, Nrittet. It is Vidhiling Lakara. So you shall, tomorrow you shall dance on stage. Right? That was one sentence. Another sentence, Ramaha Katam Kuryat. Right? Another sentence. That is called Vidhi. Vidhi means what? Prompting someone for working. Right? Next. Nimantrana and Amantrana. Have you heard these words?
Yes, sir.
Yes, invitation like.
So
for
what is the difference? What is difference between Nimantrana and Amantrana? Do you know this?
Nimantranam is invitation.
And Amantrana means?
Mantram is it may or
Amantrana.
it can be or cannot be. It can or may not.
Okay. Now,
Nimantran is like a particular person's invitation, and Amantran is for some mass.
sorry. Again, there was a network issue. We'll continue. Am I audible? Okay. So Vidhi, we have seen. Nimantrana means what? Avashya kartavyata. You must do something, right? So if you want to prompt someone, so you can use even Nimantrana. Like Iha Shraddhe Bhujyatam. It is like old Shastriya Prayoga. Let's move to next sentence. It will be understandable. Bhavan Vidyapithasya Karyakramartham Agachet. You shall come for program, right? That is a sentence. So Agachet. Now you have to come for this program. Whenever you want to say you have to use Nimantrana. Okay, that is Nimantrana. How to. And what will be the Amantrana? Amantrana means it is your desire. If you want to come, you come. Otherwise, don't come. That is called Amantrana. Okay, the difference between Nimantrana and Amantrana is in Nimantrana you have to come. You must do something. That is called Nimantrana. In Amantrana, what? If you desire, you do. If you don't want to do, don't do. That is called Amantrana. Right? So like a survey. Vivahartham agaccheyuhu. You all shall come for vivaha, marriage ceremony. So it depends upon you. Even though he is asking you to come, you don't go with your whole family, right? Some one person will be going, another will be staying home, right? So that is Amantrana. If you wish, you can go If you don't wish, you can stay home, right? That is called kamachara. Next one. Adhishta. Adhishta means what? Satkara purvaka vyapara. If you want to request someone with respect, you should make a sentence in this adhishta. So prayog will look like same, agachet, athva pathayet, etc. So there will be some difference between this kind of prayoga. Now sometime you can use vidhi, sometime nimantrana, sometime amantrana, sometime adhishta. Adhishta will say sentence. Hey Acharya, Bhavan mama putram pathayet. So now this is not order. This is a kind request. Oh Acharya, please teach my son. Right? So this is satkara purvaka vyapara. It's called adhishta. So there is a kind request. Right? This is not order or this is not vidhi. Samprashna means what? Questioning. A polite question. Like, kim aham etat pustakam patheyam? Shall I read this book? This would be samprashna. Or another sentence. Kim na khulu bhavan vyakaranam pathet? Another. You understand the meaning, right? Next one. Prarthana. Prarthana means what? Request. A kind request again. Bhavan me annam dadyat. You shall give me some food, right? So these all artha meanings are used with lot lakara and vidhiling lakara also. So if you want to make some sentence in these meanings, either you can use lot lakara or you can use vidhiling. Both have same meaning, right? Do you have any doubt regarding this? Anyone has any doubt? Shall I move to next?
Yes, sir. Sir, isn't adhishtaha and
No, there is little difference. Prarthana means just asking, just requesting. But in adhishta, you respect someone else and then you ask him, right? With respect, you ask. And here in prarthana, it doesn't need to give respect, etc. You just want to ask, you can ask, right?
Adhishta is
For
like
the
humble request.
Nimantranam, it looks like Adesh.
It looks like Adesh, but that is not really Adesh. Alright? Okay. Sentences will make. Lalayati. Lalayati means what? Do you know Lalayati?
to become
To
greedy?
care for.
Sorry?
To care.
To care. Here Lalayati doesn't mean greed, etc. Kanishka. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Mata putram lalayet. Now I will put some kriya padas. You have to make sentences. Shalayet. Can you make one sentence?
Divaraha. Divaraha.
Vastrani.
What do you call this?
Vastrani.
Avastrani shalayet.
Okay. Here.
Manushaha Hastan Shalay.
Manushyaha hastan. Ambujakshaji, there is some noise from your side. Please mute yourself.
Vastram khaluet.
Shalayet. Nice.
Excuse me.
Mute you.
Rajakaha vastrani kshalayet.
Rajakaha vastrani kshalayet. Manushyaha hastan
Shalayehu.
kshalayeyuhu. Right? Okay.
Kshalayeyuhu.
There is a aya vikarana, so please remember it will be kshalayeyuhu. Kshalayeyuhu. Okay. Next. Tadayet. Can you make one sentence quickly?
Mata putram na tadayet.
Okay. Why?
Sneha.
Snehena tadayat khalu? Na tadayat. Astu.
Sung taduet.
ते शत्रुं ताडयेयुः
Tadayeyuhu. Samichinam. Next.
Te
Bhushayet.
shatrum tadayetam.
What did you say?
Sorry, te shatruh tadayeyu.
Tadayeyuhu. If you are using sa te taha, then
इतम
tadayetam.
Te there is in two.
स्त्रीलिंगी ते इज
It is in
द्विवचन
Depends upon you again.
plural
If you
also
are
and
using in
dual
two,
also.
correct. For pullinga it will be te, and for strilinga sa
बहुवचन.
te taha dual you can use te mahile shatrun
Tadayet.
tadayetam.
ताड़ेताम
Tam.
Right.
ताड़ेताम
भूषयेत. हाँ, next. भूषयेत, right? भूषयेत, भूषयति धातु साधुः अथवा सज्जनः विष्णुमूर्तिम् अलङ्कारैः
भूषयेयुः
Shayet.
भूषयेत और भूषयेयुः.
युः युः
Why?
भूषयेयुः
साधुः
No,
is a
Mahoday. Bhushayet. Bhushayet.
भूषयेत. साधु is singular, right?
एकवचन अस्ति. साधु इत्युक्ते एकवचन अस्ति.
साधु इति एकवचनम्, अतः भूषयेत समीचीनम्. अन्ये.
माता कथां कथयेत्.
Wow, same. Did you? Nice sense.
Sita katham kathayet.
Sita katham katayet. Pitamahi, matamahi you can use, right? Used to tell, nowadays I don't know whether they. Okay, next dhatu. Ganayati, right? Ganayati means to
Count.
count. Correct. Next sentence.
बालकः पत्राः गणयेत्.
Patram is Napusakalinga word. So,
Patrani.
Patrani ganayet. हाँ.
एतानि रूप्यकाणि गणयेत्.
सः अथवा
बालकः एतानि रूप्यकाणि गणयेत्.
हाँ, एतानि रूप्यकाणि. रूप्यकाणि is in which case? प्रथमा विभक्ति बहुवचनम, right?
बहुवचन. प्रथमा द्वितीया बहुवचन.
Which one you use?
अत्र प्रथमा अस्ति महोदय.
No, अत्र न प्रथमा. यत्र यत्र कर्म भवति तत्र द्वितीया.
तत्र द्वितीया भविष्यति. क्षमस्व महोदय. अत्र द्वितीया.
स्वागतम्.
वित्तकोशे रोखपालः रूप्यकाणि गणयेत्.
वित्तपालः रूप्यकाणि गणयेत्. समीचीनं. वयं दुःखं न
गणयेत्
गणयेत्.
गणेयुः
Again. No. There is
गणयेम.
Ganayema. Vayam, right? That's how I know speaks. How to confuse. Okay, next. Ghoshayet. To make announcement, right? Ghoshayet. Can you make one sentence by using Ghoshayati?
सैनिकः ग्रामे घोषयेत्.
किं घोषयेत्? सूचनां
घोषयेत्.
हाँ. Okay. For making simple, सेनापतिः युद्धं घोषयेत्. श्वः युद्धं भविष्यति इति सेनापतिः युद्धं घोषयेत्. Right? Next. रचयेत्. हाँ, Ambujaksha ji, there is some noise from your side, so speak it and please mute yourself. Right?
एतस्मिन् विषये सूचनां
घोषयेत्. भवान् एतस्मिन् विषये घोषणां घोषयेत्. समीचीनं.
महर्षि वाल्मीकि रामायणं रचयेत्.
महर्षि वाल्मीकिः अथवा वाल्मीकि दीर्घ, राइट? वाल्मीकि रामायणं रचयेत्.
कविः नाटकानि रचयेत्.
हाँ, कविः नाटकानि रचयेत्. नेक्स्ट. अहं गृहं
देवं पूजयेत्.
No, I am asking aham griham rach dhatu. What will be the kriya pada? Aham griham
रचयेयम्.
पात्राणि.
रचयेयम्. Right? Next. पूजा धातु.
अहं सरस्वतीं पूजयेम.
पूजयेयम् अहं
येयम्
पूजयेयम् वयं पूजयेम right next
आम्.
varnayet to describe
बालिका चित्रं वर्णयेत्.
varnayet to describe actually not
Right, समजलं.
painting
सः प्रवासवर्णे
हाँ प्रवासवर्णनं वर्णयेत् right
न न सः सः
वर्णेयम्
हाँ सः
मध्यम पुरुष
no you are using सः
न
right
न त्वं त्वं
प्रवासं
वर्णयेयः.
प्रवासवर्णं वर्णे
वर्णये
यः.
वर्णये again say
व्हाट इज
let's
फॉर मध्यम पुरुष
वर्णयेत् वर्णयेतां वर्णयेयुः वर्णयेः वर्णये
इतम इत
येः येः.
हाँ वर्णयेः right
वर्णये
okay हाँ now look at the picture and what thought comes in your mind let me know what is there
माता पितरौ बालकं लालयेत्.
lalayet right so now there is a one shloka I will explain that you can have a look and if try to explain lalayet panchavarshani दशवर्षाणि ताडयेत् प्राप्ते तु षोडशे वर्षे पुत्रे मित्रवत् आचरेत् so make 3 sentences out of this one sentence माता पुत्रं पंचवर्षाणि
लालयेत्
लालयेत् ततः समाना एव माता तं पुत्रं यदा सः पुत्रः 10 वर्षीयः भवति तदा ताडयेत् किन्तु यदा सः 16 वर्षीयः भवति तदा प्राप्ते तु 16 वर्षे 16 वर्षानन्तरं she should not or he should not beat that son right why there will be so much problems so many problems okay प्राप्ते तु 16 वर्षे 16 वर्षे प्राप्ते सति पुत्रे हाँ पुत्र विषयक सप्तमी पुत्र विषये मित्रवत् आचरेत् so all the examples of lang lakar right lang lakar
विधिलिंग लकार
विधिलिंग लकार
pay attention whenever I take a pause that means I am okay using some tricks now next here what is going on similar thought माता पुत्रं
क्रोधयेत्
कृद धातु belongs to fourth gana krudhyati right okay
भाषयेत्.
now again there is another shloka लालनात् बहवो दोषाः ताडनात् बहवो गुणाः तस्मात् पुत्रं च शिष्यं च ताडयेत् न तु लाडयेत् very simple so in previous shloka that thought was there if that child is doing if it is dramatic he should be beaten up right mata should beat him and he little bit if he becomes mature then she should not why there is shloka lalanat bahavo doshaha if you don't do lalanam if you do lot of lalanam without scolding that becomes dosha that child will not listen anyone else that's why lalanat bahava doshaha what about next tadanat bahavah gunaha if you do tadana then that child will respect others he will learn a lot isn't it by time that's why putram cha shishyam cha tadayet natu ladayet but this logic was until shodashe varshe okay thereafter you cannot either scold you can scold you are mothers right yeah so now Up to that we had finished Vidhiling Lakara. I hope you will memorize all the Vidhiling Lakara forms. Ganayet, Ganayetam, Ganayehu, etc. etc. Now next move to next word. If you have memorized Hari word, this word will be very simple. Guruhu. It goes similarly. Little bit change there will be. Okay. So Harihi, Hari, Harayah. It is same. Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha. There was a Yaha. Here is a Vaha. That's it. Gurun, Guru, Gurun, Harim, Hari, Harin, similar. Guruna, Harina, similar. Gurave, it is Gurave, there was Haraye, little bit difference, other things are similar. There was Harehe in Panchami Vibhakti, here there is a Guroho, that much. Everything is similar. Okay, now let's use this word. Guruhu will decline once. Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha, not Guruvaha, Guravaha. Gurum, Guru, Gurun, Guruna, Gurubhyam, Gurubihi, Gurave, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyah, Guroho, Gurubhyam, Gurubhyah, Guroho, Guruvoho, Gurunam, Gurau, Guruvoho, Guruhu, He Guru, He Guru, He Guravaha. Okay, now next words I'm putting, you can pick up any word and you can decline similarly. Guru. Okay, Guruhu means teacher, Taruhu tree, Vayuhu air, Bahuhu arm, Shatru enemy, Binduhu a drop of water, Shishuhu child, Parashuhu axe. Then Pashuhu, Prabhuhu, Bhanuhu, all are familiar words I guess. Paumsuhu will be something new for you. Then all other words are knowable. Yeah.
Bhanuhu, shall I take up Renuka?
Yes, Bhanuhu.
Bhanuhu. Bhanuhu, Bhanu, Bhanuvaha.
Bhanavaha.
Bhanavaha, Bhanavaha. Bhanum, Bhanum, Bhanu, Bhanun.
Correct.
Bhanuna, Bhanubhyam, Bhanubihi. Bhanuve,
Bhanave.
Bhanave. Bhanave, Bhanubhyam, Bhanubhyaha. Bhanayoho,
No, Bhanoho.
Bhanoho, Bhano, okay. Bhanoho, Bhanubhyam, Bhanubhyaha. Bhanoho, Bhanoryoho,
Bhanvoho.
Bhanvoho, Bhanunam.
Bhanunam. Simple, not Murdanya Nakara. There is a particular rule. By that, Nakara changes into Nakara if it is preceded by either Ru or a Sh. So there is no Ru or Sh. It will remain as it is. Bhanunam.
Bhanunam. Then Bhanav, Bhanav, Bhanorvoho,
Bhanvoho.
Bhanvoho, Bhanushu.
Then
Bhano, He Bhanu, He Bhanvaha.
Bhanavaha.
Bhanavaha. He Bhanavaha.
Amrishaji.
Yes, Moday. May I decline Taru?
Taru Shabda, yes.
Taruhu, Taru, Taravah, Tarum, Taru, Taruna, Taruna, Tarubhyam, Tarubhi, Tarave, Tarubhyam, Tarubhyah, Taroho, Tarubhyam, Tarubhyah, Taroho, Tarvoho, Tarunam, Tarau, Tarvoho, Tarushu, He Taro, He Taru, He Taravah, Sambodhan.
Samichan. Hiralji, then Samarthaji. Then Kanishka.
Which word, Mohan?
Anyone you can take.
Shatru?
Shatruhu.
Shatruhu, Shatru, Shatravah. Shatrum, Shatru, Shatrun. Shatruna, Shatrubhyam, Shatrubhihi. Shatrave, Shatrubhyam, Shatrubhyah. Shatroho, Shatrubhyam, Shatrubhyah.
Are you saying Cha? It is Sha.
Shatroho, Shatroho, Shatrunam.
शत्रुना
शत्रौ
हम्म
शत्रोः शत्रुषु हे शत्रौ हे शत्रु हे शत्रवः
हाँ हे शत्रवः राइट नाइस नेक्स्ट
Guruji, I will take मृत्युः.
मृत्यु
Okay, मृत्युः मृत्युः मृत्युं मृत्यून् मृत्युणा मृत्युभ्यां मृत्युभिः मृत्यवे मृत्युभ्यां मृत्युभ्यः मृत्योः मृत्युभ्यां मृत्युभ्यः मृत्योः मृत्यवोः मृत्यूणां मृत्योः मृत्युषु हे मृत्यु हे मृत्यवः.
मृत्यवः राइट नाइस नेक्स्ट okay now what is the time yes we have finished today's what we have seen. I will do a quick summary, then we'll conclude here. So we have finished up to vidhiling lakara. Vidhiling lakara is used for vidhi, for prompting someone. Nimantrana, saying someone like it is a you have to do, that kind of saying something, right? Amantrana means if you want to do you can do. Kamachara. Then adhishta, satkar purvaka vyapara. Adhishta, please teach my son, or oh guru, please do this puja for me, like that. Vidhi nimantrana mantrana adhishta. Samprashna questioning, and prarthana requesting, right? With these meanings we use lot lakar, right?
No, vidhiling lakar.
No, vidhilinga lakara.
Actually both. Even lot lakara we use.
Why
Vidhiling
there are
lakar-
different
Little bit confusion, sir. So many times it happens.
What happens?
Little bit confusion. It is where it आज्ञार्थ इस्तेमाल करना है या विद्यार्थ, ये दोनों में कभी कभी कंफ्यूजन होता है.
No, actually you can use both na. So that's how sutra is telling. You can use vidhi nimantrana mantranadishta samprashna prarthaneshu vidhiling lakarah. But later sutra comes lot cha. Even you can use lot lakar with same meaning.
ओके,
So both are
कोई
correct.
गलती नहीं हो सकती, कोई
ना
भी
बिल्कुल
इस्तेमाल
नहीं
करें.
बिल्कुल नहीं.
ओके,
दोनों में से कोई भी यूज कर सकते हैं.
हाँ हाँ
हाँ, लेकिन आपकी विवक्षा क्या रहती है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करते हैं. आजकल क्या
हाँ,
होता है,
But
जब
like-
भी ऑर्डर देनी है
but-
तो लोट लकार यूज होता है. मतलब
हाँ,
ऐसे समझ है आजकल, पता नहीं.
But like if you are a pariksharthi and if parikshak ask for particular lakar,
हाँ
then
हाँ
we
हाँ.
have to put
करो
it in
तू,
that.
लिख तू.
हाँ, then that time if you are asked to write a lot lakar forms, you cannot write vidhiling, you have to write lot that way.
हाँ,
Yes. So we have completed lat lakar, lot lakar, lang lakar and vidhiling.
हाँ.
So 4 lakaras for padasmay parasmay pada we have seen. We have seen Rama, then Vanam, then Hari Shabda and Guru Shabda. So we are going to continue all the words, all the kind of words. There will be akaranta, then dirgha, ikaranta, etc. And in Kriya Padas, we have seen 14 Kriya Padas, right? Bhadigana, 10 Kriya Padas. Then Divadigana, 10 Kriya Padas. Then Tudadigana, 10 more Kriya Padas. And today we saw Churadigana, right? 10 Kriya Padas. So in each Gana, we have seen 10, 10, 10. Laterly, we are going to see Drit Lakara with that usage and new words we will be learning. Then we will practice Parasmay Pada. Thereafter, that would be interesting topic on Atmanepada. And this Atmanepada, if you memorize, it will surely help you to understand Karmani Prayoga. If you don't memorize Atmanepada, you are not going to understand Karmani Prayoga. So it will be your task to memorize, and you will, I am sure you will memorize it and you will enjoy when we learn Karmani Prayoga. Karmani Prayoga is very easy if you have memorized few forms. Okay, so I would like to request you all, so whenever these 6 classes are remaining, you can practice as much as in class as well as by yourself, right? Okay, then shall we conclude here?
Excuse me, Guruji. doubt what's the difference between the lot lakara and the Vidilinga lakara.
Actually, there is not. But nowadays, what happens, whenever we want to order someone, we use lot lakara. And if you want to request politely, sometimes we use Vidiling lakara. But there is no that kind of differences. Actually, both are for same meanings. But nowadays, it happens a little bit. So it depends upon you. If you want to use lot, you can use lot. If you want to use Vidiling, you can use. Right? Okay. Yes.
Thank you.
We'll do Purnamada. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namah Hari Om. We'll see you tomorrow.
धन्यवाद महोदय पुनर्मिलामः
धन्यवाद महोदय
स्वागतम.
महोदय एक शंका अस्ति.
हाँ वदतु.
ये जो शांति मंत्र है मैंने सुना है कि वो आखिरी में यानी कि श्रद्धांजलि के समय कहते
ना
हैं.
वैसे नहीं. मैं शांति मंत्र के ऊपर एक स्वतंत्र लेक्चर दूंगा कल. अभी तो समय हो गया. कल मैं आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगा. जी रिमाइंड मी.